First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 4 center-cut salmon fillets, about 5 ounces and an inch thick each. Also, prepare 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and kosher salt. For the salad, get a bunch of kale, a 1/4 cup of dates, a Honeycrisp apple, a 1/4 cup of finely grated pecorino, and 3 tablespoons of toasted slivered almonds. And of course, don't forget the freshly ground black pepper and whole wheat dinner rolls to serve alongside. Start by bringing the salmon to room temperature about 10 minutes before you plan to cook. While waiting, whisk together the lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of the olive oil, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Then, it's time to prepare the kale. Remove the ribs and slice the leaves very thinly until you have about 6 cups. Toss the kale in the bowl with your lemon oil mixture and let it stand for 10 minutes. While the kale is marinating, turn your attention to the dates and apple. Slice the dates into thin slivers and cut the apple into matchstick pieces. Add these, along with the cheese and almonds, to the kale. Season with pepper, toss thoroughly, and set it aside. Now, the star of the show, the salmon. Sprinkle each fillet all over with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Heat the remaining tablespoon of olive oil in a large non-stick skillet over medium-low heat. Once the oil is hot, raise the heat to medium-high and place the salmon in the pan, skin side up. Cook each side until golden brown, about 4 minutes, then flip the fish over with a spatula. Cook for another 3 minutes, or until the salmon feels firm to the touch. And there you have it. Divide the salmon, salad, and dinner rolls evenly among 4 plates. Each bite of this dish promises a burst of flavor, from the tangy lemon kale salad to the crispy, perfectly cooked salmon. This pan-seared salmon with kale and apple salad is a healthy, delicious meal that's sure to impress at any dinner table.